So we are on a 40 minutes delayed LNER Azuma bullet train, calling at King's Cross only. So I imagine we'll be running at very high speed. Once we start moving, here we go. So we're just looking at the door mechanism here that will plug the door against the frame shortly once we get up to speed. And there it is. And now the carriage is a lot quieter because it's sealed against the frame now. The doors are all sealed against the frame. Right, let's see what speeds we get up to. And we're now doing 115 miles per hour. That's probably the fastest we'll travel at on this journey to King's Cross. Okay, we're just arriving at King's Cross, and once the train stops, we'll see this mechanism retract to bring the door back or allow the door to fall back from the frame. And when that happens, we'll hear the noise from outside the train because it's no longer soundproofed. So I believe this happens automatically based on the train's traveling speed, whereas the door will remain locked. There you go. That happens automatically, but we're still waiting for the driver, the guard rather, to unlock the doors. So this journey took about 20 minutes. It's not bad. 20 minutes from Stevenage to King's Cross.